So the number one question I get asked here on Instagram, on Facebook is how do I keep my 4C hair looking good in a twist out throughout the whole week? I'm about to show you guys right now if you keep on watching. So the secret is really what you do to your hair at night, and I am going to show you guys exactly what I do. This is day 4 of a twist out. You guys see it still looks good. This is going to last me the whole week, and this is usually what I do. So first, you are going to separate your hair. And you are going to be looking for the areas where your hair naturally separates. We are not forcing anything. So I am going to get this section. I am working with medium sections. And by the time I'm done, I think I'm going to have like 6, a maximum of 8 sections. So pretty much what you're going to do is separate the hair, and you're going to do the same thing here. We are not forcing anything out. See, there you go. So I have one big section, and I am going to braid this section up. You can do twist if you want to, loose twist if you want to. I just find that this works a lot better for me. I've actually learned this from Candid Kinks here on YouTube. She's the one that I've seen do that, and I have been doing it ever since. Right now, moving on to the next section. I hope you guys can see. See, my hair naturally separates right here. So I am going to use this section and just braid it again. So I am separating the hair. I am not forcing the curls because I do want to maintain the integrity of the curls. So we are using the sections that already exist, and we are going to braid this section up one more time. And I'm just going to repeat the same step throughout my whole head until I am done. And if you're somebody who suffers from single strand knots as well, this is a good way for you, because keeping your hair stretched is a good way for you to avoid getting single strand knots. So I have a total of 6 braids in my hair right now. I am going to pop my bonnet on, and I am going to call it a night. And I will see you guys in the morning so we can unravel the hair together. Good morning. So it is the next day. I am on my way to work. So I am going to show you guys how I unravel my plaits so I can get going. It's going to be easy. It's going to be quick. I am going to use my pick so I can fluff my hair up a little bit. You guys can see that the integrity of my twist is still maintained here, and my hair is just elongated. If you hate shrinkage, this is a good way for you to stretch your hair if you have a twist out without having to use any heat. So pretty much what you're going to do is fluff it out, play around with it until you get your desired shape, and you are good to go. As you can see, my hair still holds the curls, and now my hair is stretched. So I am out the door going to work. When I get back later, I will show you how my hair holds up. So it has been about 10 hours already. I went to work, now I'm back. I am ready to put my hair back in braids and call it a night. In the morning, I will unravel and my hair will still look great. So this is what I do throughout the whole week to maintain my 4C hair in Twistout. And when I'm ready to wash, we're going to wash it and start the process all over. So don't say that I did not share my little secret with you guys. And this Twistout, I got it using Miche Beauty products. And I do have a whole review of the entire collection already on my channel. I will place it for you right here on the screen. And if you want more great content like this from me, just be sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the bell so you don't miss out. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will catch you in the next one. Mwah.